Assalamualaikum, welcome to my YouTube channel Braintrainer Aisha. Today's our topic is what is computer and its main components. What is computer? A computer is a programmable electronic device that accepts data, performs operations on that data, presents the result and stores the data or results as needed. Components of computer. Number 1, input and output devices. Number 2, storage. Number 3, CPU, central processing unit. Input devices. Input device is a piece of equipment that used to provide data and control signals to an information processing system. Examples of input devices: keyboards, mouse, scanners, and microphones. Output devices. An output device is any device used to send data from a computer to another device or user. Examples of output devices: printers, monitors, speakers, projectors, and GPS devices. Storage. A storage device is used for storing and extracting data, files, and objects. A storage device can hold information both temporary or permanent. They may be internal or external to the computer. Types of storage devices: hard disk drive, floppy disk, optical disk, pen drive, and memory cards. CPU, central processing unit. A central processing unit or CPU is electronic machinery that carries out information from programs that allows a computer or other device to perform its task. होप सो आपको आज की वीडियो समझ आई होगी. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. अल्लाह हाफिज़.